This is my neighbor Shawn. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shawn.
And what are you about to do today? You going what?
Farewell.
Four-wheel? Alright, this is my neighbor Shawn. This is Jesse James Turner. Clementon. This is my beautiful wife Angel. This is my ugly house. It looks like I'm gonna go hard. Far car now on to the business. This is my buddy Shawn. This is his John Deere tractor. Let's get a whole shot. Wave for the camera. Wave. Look at this sucker, John Deere. John Deere, represent your company, pay us money. Okay, let's go four-wheel. Let's see what you got, bud. Good video. Gold! It's golden video. This is gonna get mad hits on YouTube. There he goes. Go in the dirt! Hell yeah! Do it again! Again! No, he's not. This is good video. This is how we get followers. We're gonna get mad views. Yeah, you know, that's like he has like 10 tractors. I'm recording. There he goes. Gold! Gold! Look at the fish tail on that sucker. Good old classic fun. John Deere's a beast ass tractor, guys. Hell yeah, dude! Whoa! High five! Alright, say bye to everybody. Alright.